And we will start by taking a look at the key components, you could say, that make up a Go program. And for that, we can take a look at the program we wrote in the first section. It's a basic program, but it contains these key components, which I guess makes sense since I said that they would be part of every Go program. And of course, if we take a look at this code, there are a couple of key components. For example, this package instruction here is an important thing, and I will get back to that, just as I will come back to this import thing here. But I want to start with this main func and this line of code here. What are we doing here? Well, in the end here, we're calling a so-called function. Print is a so-called function, which you can simply think of as a command that we're executing. So we're calling a function, we're executing a command, and in this case, if we hover over print, we're executing a command that print formats using the default formats for its operands and writes to standard output. Okay, that's absolutely not clear. Well, that's in the end a complicated way of saying that this command here is printing, is outputting this text here to the standard output, which turns out to be the command line. Because this Go program here is one which we have to run from the command line with go run app-go, as we did it before, for example. And if we do that, this print command here, this print function, is responsible for outputting this text in that command line. That's what this command does. Now, this print command is in the end a built-in command, you could say, provided by that FMT thing, by that FMT package, as you will later learn. Now, this package is part of Go itself. You don't need to download it to have it available. It's built into Go, and it's simply one of many built-in packages, as you will see, that gives you access to helpful functions, helpful commands like this. Now, the thing we're passing to print is called a value, and specifically it's a so-called string value, which in the end just means that it's text. In Go, you can work with many values, as in basically all programming languages, and as you will see throughout the course, and strings, so text, are just one possible value type. You create such a string value in Go by using double quotes. And that's different from other languages like, for example, JavaScript, where you could also use single quotes. In Go, that's not allowed. It must be double quotes, or actually, as you will also see later, backticks, which is a different character than a single quote. But double quotes are the common choice. This main thing here is then also a function, but now a function we're defining ourselves. So a command we're defining ourselves. And this command can then also be executed, though in case of the main function, it will be executed by Go. But I will get back to that. For the moment, that's all we need to know about this code. Let's therefore now come back to this package thing here and take a closer look at that.